Would you like to have Kellogg's? I can give you lots of it free plus the milk and sugar. He laughed and says, are you an idiot? Can you not understand that Indians don't have cold breakfast?
Mathilde and I are in it to win it.
Yeah.
It's very important for us, our DNA, to make great content, to tell good stories, but also show that we have values about strong publicist values. We make great journalism, great stories, and we want, if they can make a transition, take it into new media platforms where we are very strong, represented, but maybe not so known. How do we get even more involvement with young? How do we get our users to be in dialogue with us? How do we show ourselves how we are? If they can come up with ideas that are not too traditionally, think out of the box, challenge us, that would be fantastic.
We hope to gain a sort of a whole catalogue of new ideas. I think we've been thinking a lot internally, obviously, but I think there's a real value in having people who are attuned to communication and to business, but who are not sort of brainwashed with your great knowledge of Egmont. I think that's where the sort of sparks of inspiration, the kind of the new ideas come from.
When you talk about innovation, things have to be convincing in a way that people have not otherwise thought of.
Egmont needs to be known as a company that really understands lots of platforms and can get the best out of any brand on the digital or in print.
If you succeed in tuning into people's sense of what's worth their while, then they will listen, they will pay attention.
The case would be easier if the case was Lego or kind of a one brand company. We are a multi-brand company, and that's why it's hard and that's why it's fun.
Egmont. It's just great.
We just like throwing in ideas and we're developing it since the beginning actually. So the work is gonna start, I think, before midnight to do the slides and that thing. So we have a ton of hours.
We are all different, all four of us. In 1 hour we are the best friends, in the other we are gonna kill each other. But I think it's the best way of work. I really enjoy it very much. We love the case.
Interesting and difficult.
Yeah, it's very challenging.
It's difficult because of the
diversity
in Egmont.
Yeah.
Egmont is asking us the wrong question. We're going to need to tell them that, and they're probably not going to be happy to hear it. But
2:13. No.
it's
It's more
Euro cat.
Who slept like too much?
No, don't do that to me.
There's 1 hour until deadline, so I guess the pressure is on right now, and hopefully we'll get to see them very soon.
That's just not enough.
Can you make this black?
No.
We can.
I'll trust you.
I think that at the heart of the case study is this notion of bridging the old and the new. And we felt that the winner was the group that, in a sense, best captured how Egmont going forward could capture these two worlds, but not necessarily lose the old, still value the old, but bring the old into the new and bring the old and the new together. The metaphor that kept reoccurring both in the shortlisting judging panel and in the final judging panel was this notion of bridging the old and the new. And so we felt that the winning proposal and the winning team were best able to conceptualize and come up with a solution for that bridging. We also felt it was scalable, it was transferable, that it keyed into the importance of charity and those values within the organisation, that it focused on CSR, that it was focused on print and digital. And so with all those words in your heads, it comes as no surprise that Group F
we didn't expect this. We got our idea in the middle of, we were stuck actually in the middle of the night. We got our idea, we took a shower and we got our idea that became our winning idea.
Really something I'm gonna remember for a long time.
For me it was like the greatest experience I had in Denmark for sure. I mean, I'm here for like 4 months, 5 months only, September, yeah. So it was like the first snow, the first prize. What more can you want?
I think that we spent really a great time here, and after came up with an idea while making a shower, having a shower. I will say that guys, we should have a shower like 3 times, really like per each hour or something like that.